Wildcats, and welcome to today, Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. Today, I am in Mrs. Martinez's pre-K class, and we are going to go ahead and do our Pledge of Allegiance. Will you please stand, place your hand over your heart, face the U.S. flag, and join them as they do their pledge. I pledge allegiance
to God and the United States in America,
for which it stands, one nation,
under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag, our nation Texas, one day under God, indivisible.
Thank you. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you very much. You may be seated. All right. We'd like to remind you that every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School, you have the right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, and during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, tell someone. Let an adult that you trust in your life know how you feel. Now, this adult can be your coach, it could be your nurse, it could be your counselor, it could be your parent, it could be your teacher from this year, your teacher from last year. But let them know how you feel so you can discuss your feelings. We continue to be a no place for hate school, so please remember that we do our best to treat everyone fairly. We promise to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like you. If you see someone being hurt or bullied, you will tell a teacher or an adult, and that you will help others to feel safe and happy at school. That we continue to be a no place for hate. Today, on the 31st of March, we have a number of birthdays, so get ready. We wish a happy birthday to Mason B. in first grade, Emma C. in 5th grade, Heidi G. in kindergarten, Aaliyah M. in 2nd grade, and Marianne V. in 5th grade. Happy birthday to those March babies. We do have a couple of announcements today. We're so happy to receive returning new face-to-face students for the last 9 weeks. Kindergarten has a parent meeting via Zoom today at 4 p.m. Also, if you are in the No Place for Hate group, we have a meeting today at 4:30 via Zoom. Today is also Happy National Crayon Day, so please see the choice board that Ms. Duquette has sent. Students, remember that attendance counts, and we ask that you are here every day. Please continue to practice safety by wearing your mask, covering your mouth and nose, unless you are eating or drinking. Please remember to wash your hands and maintain 6 feet between yourself and your classmates. The character education themes for this month were respect, courtesy, and gratitude. Today is also the last day of Women's History Month. So today we celebrate Pearl Kendrick and Grace Elderling, who developed the vaccine for whooping cough. All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That is right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.